What's going on, guys? The SolSniper team here. Today we are beyond stoked to be bringing you guys a brand new tutorial video with our all new user interface along with the all new sniper. Now, let's get into the sniper. Now, your buy amount, your sell. As you guys know, we do automated slippage now and priority feeds, so you guys do not have to worry about that anymore. We did this to help you guys out, and we hope y'all love it. And then if you're using your own RPC down here, like I said, the fully custom RPC support, simply check this tick box and put in your endpoints here. Now, sniping time. Let's get right into it. For video purposes, I'm going to be doing 0.01. You guys do whatever you're comfortable with. Never ever full port, anything like that. Always be safe. I'm going to set my take profit for video purposes at 10. We'll put a 50 stop loss and our timeout at 500 seconds. As for safety, I'm gonna go and put these at 100. I'm feeling risky. You guys do not follow me. Choose what you're comfortable with. As for dexes, we're gonna choose all of them. And alright guys, we're gonna go and start running the bot. As you can see here, the bot started successfully, and I will be back with you guys when we're in a snipe. And boom guys, looks like we got a snipe here. We are currently in the trade right now, and let's see what happens to it. As you can see here, you have your chart right here. You can also view it on SolScan, DexScreener, or GMGN AI. While we're checking out what this thing does, I do want to go and talk to you guys. Just in case you don't know what timeout is, pretty much this is just, say I bought it and put it on 10 seconds, the bot would automatically sell after 10 seconds. So that's pretty much just saying, how long would I like to hold it before I manually sell it, or the bot will do it for me. And oh, big candle's coming in, guys. Look at that, we are up 5% right now. Look there. A big candle's coming in, guys, and boom. As you can see, we went ahead and hit our take profit. 18%. What a freaking trade, boys. Now, please note, this is not guaranteed to happen every time. The Solana market is very volatile, and remember to always do this at your own risk. Let's go and snipe another one. I'll be back when we snipe into another one, boys. There we are, guys. We are in another snipe here. Here's Coin's hero. You guys can see the coin information at the top left also. Or obviously, just check out the chart on any of these 3 links right here. Oh, and there we go. A big candle coming. And I do want to go and show you guys right here. So, pretty much what will happen in your logs when you're in a snipe is, as you can see here, I see a new token launch, shows the address. I have my safety check delay at 10 seconds. Pretty much what the safety check delay is how many seconds, is the bot gonna wait to buy in after seeing the coin launch. And whoa, chart's kind of taken off there, guys. That we love to see that. But as you can see, the token passed all internal filter checks and all premium filter checks, which is why it went ahead and got me in. Started the buying process, and 2 seconds later we were in, and wow, look there. I'm talking to you guys, and we hit our take profit. What a successful trade. I want you guys to know, those were 2 back-to-back trades. And, maybe the market's hot right now, but we are loving it. The sniper is working awesomely. And boom, I went ahead and did a 3rd snipe for you guys to end off this tutorial video, because why would we not, boys? As you can see here, we are on Netizen coin. Chart is looking beautiful. We are up 7%, and boom. Just like that, guys, our take profit is reached. So that was really quick. I tapped recording as soon as we got into that one, but as you guys can see, we hit our take profit in 50 seconds. Pretty good trade. Note that it's not guaranteed, but in a very good market, sniping is definitely the best to do it in Zen. But as you guys can see, our buy order went through, sat around for a minute on the token, and then our take profit was hit at 11.5%. If you guys are wondering, you have it set at 10, why is that happening? Pretty much, that's just how volatile sniping Solana meme coins and how either risky they can be or profitable they can be. You can make money just as fast as you can lose money. You guys all need to know that. With anything in any market comes risk, and obviously sniping is very risky. But you can see our sale transaction confirmed. You can view that on SolScan, DexScreener, or GMGN and see the exact transaction, but we got confirmed here, and boom. So I think that is going to wrap it up. I don't want to snipe you guys' faces off. We've obviously done 3 snipes. They're pretty successful. Good for the tutorial video. Thank you guys for riding along with me here in this tutorial video. Anyways guys, SolSniper team out. Have a great one.